Hi, we're Seven Skittle, and we share everything from budget, fitness goals, material stuff, and even friends. Pero nag-work nga ba yun?
Hi guys! So we're on our way to Cubao. Mag-pick up lang kami ng Pocket 3. Nasira siya. Nabagsak natin.
So, we're here at Lazarus Drone Repair. Nagdodorber pa kami.
Pero kung kukuha ka talaga ng baka, promise ko kung paano.
We're finally back at the gym after a while. Magsi-stairmaster lang ako and si Seb naman chest and triceps. Ina-encourage niya ako mag-weights, pero sa ngayon, this is working for both of us. And nag-enjoy naman kami.
After a good workout, we decided to have breakfast sa Wildflower. Di kami lagi dito nag-post-workout pero since kakabalik lang namin sa gym, why not? So this is their beef tapa, their salmon tartine, and we also had their blue dream smoothie. And since meron pa akong work na kailangan tapusin, dito muna kami nagstay bago kami mag-grocery para din iwas sa impulse buying later. At dahil share kami ng budget, nakabuild na kami ng strategy. So here are 3 grocery tips for couples. Tip number 1, don't shop when hungry. Kaya kumain na kami kanina para walang sudden cravings habang nag-grocery. Tip number 2, plan meals before shopping. Since we share the same fitness goals, nakabuo na rin kami ng staple meals na nire-rotate namin weekly. Tip number 3, make a grocery list para walang makalimutan at makastick sa budget. And bonus tip, turn grocery shopping into a mini date.
Ay, game na pala.
Ako On our way home to Ayala, Alabang.
Has has been my friend since my early 20s, and finding friendships like this as an adult isn't easy, let alone a best friend. I'm cute, living the life.
This is the life. Okay, black na lang. Tama. Okay, print out. Ay! Ganun. Ay, cute. Yun! Oh, ang ganda! Ang ganda, Besho!
Ingat ka.
Ingat ka
LA girls.
Well, may kita tayo tayo.
Oh, see you soon.
Transition.
Yes.
See you in LA!
Yeah.
Beshi, as you step into this new chapter of your life, know that 7i will always be cheering you on. See you on the other side.
And now that we shared how our week went, balik tayo sa question. Does sharing everything work for us? Yes. At the end of the day, sharing everything means you've got someone to figure it out with. The good, the bad, and even the 12,000 peso mistakes.